It's fixed, or Phuxxed. And it's another mystery box, but I think this box is a bit less of a mystery. I have a feeling I know what's going to be in this, but before I say it's a blah 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 edition of Fixed or Phuxxed, I just want to actually open the box. I have pre-snipped because I was struggling to figure out how to get into the box, and I thought, yeah, people probably don't want to see an idiot failing to open a box. Or maybe you do. It's an unboxing. Okay, what's in the box? I think I know. Yeah, that looks like what I was expecting. Let's see what their reading material is. They read a local ads paper? I don't know. It has no identifying features. Oh, no, it's a local paper. Okay, I won't be able to make any comment on that. Unlike certain others. I'm sorry. I try not to be judgmental, but I do judge people by the paper they use to wrap the things they send me. But enough of talking about the paper. Let's talk about the thing in the paper, which is also in bubble wrap. Let's talk about the thing in the paper in the bubble wrap. Or now, not, he said prematurely, not in the bubble wrap. Is that not hideous? Go on, I mean, that is hideous, right? It's not just me that thinks that. That is awful, is it not? Is it not? I think it is. But of course, it is meant to be chewy. Kind of looks more like one of the mutant Wookies from the Christmas special, but it's meant to be chewy. And so chewy it is. Yeah, this was eBay. I think it was starting bid of £3 and then a couple of pounds postage. And I think I offered £2 and they got back to me with 4. So then I put a bid in for 3 and got it for the 3. And there's that tedious tale over with. I'm sure you cared so much. I cared because I just thought, well, smuggy me, you could have just not got back with 4. You think I'm stupid? I'm trying to buy this. You're probably right. Anyway, it's a chewy it's a night light to lighty uppy chewy that allegedly, and indeed truthfully, does not light up. And I came in prepared with some batteries of normalness, and this looks like it doesn't take normalness batteries. Don't even know if it will be the batteries that are the problem. No. It has a lack of them. That's not going to be a great start. I am going to find some batteries. Part of me really hopes it isn't just batteries. Because the point of Fixed or Phuxxed isn't, hey, I've bought something that doesn't have batteries and watch me put batteries in and now it works. Is that not interesting enough for you? It's not really what I'm doing here. I'm trying to fix things that are Phuxxed. Or make them more Phuxxed. Or have them be the same level of Phuxxed after failing to fix them. I don't want to just be, it's battery replacement man. You know, I mean, that's like the worst Monty Python sketch idea ever. But I'm going to go and seek batteries. And when I have sought batteries successfully, I'm going to reappear and shove some in him. Decapitated and lifeless. Rest in peace, dear walking carpet. Right, I have found some batteries. And I'm hoping they're the right ones, because I can't find any other batteries. But will I know if they're the right ones? Well, I know these have got power. So if these power him up, then I know it was the batteries. And if they don't, I know it wasn't. I still would really hope... Okay, that's him off. That's him on. Okay. It's not just the batteries. That, believe it or not... Although I have no idea, because it looks like he's glued. Believe it or not, I'm glad it isn't just the batteries. Although I do also feel like I'm holding the head of a dead toddler infant Wookie. Which is a little bit grim. But, I'm going to have to figure out how to get into there without destroying everything. This base looks glued in. How do you think I'm going to get... No, it's probably not even glued, is it? It's going to be that heat... Is it sonic welding? Where they put two pieces of plastic together and then I guess they just ultrasonic it and that makes it melt itself together. It's going to be a real pig to get into that. I'm not exactly looking forward to it, but I'm going to think on it, figure it out, and then I'm going to try to do it. Well, there I was, merrily about to start hacking away at Chewie's decapitated neck stump, Is it the stump when it's on the head, or is it the stump when it's on the body? But I was about to start trying to excavate my way into the cranial cavity of the ex-Wookie when I thought, well, hold on a minute. These are the right batteries, aren't they, right? Yeah, definitely the right batteries. But are they fitted in the right way round? Yes, they've got to be fitted in the right way round. What's going on then? It's not really making contact, is it? I could see a gap. And the moment I got a metal thing, which I had attempted to get and just no, but I got a metal thing and I just did that, and I don't know, because it's quite subtle from underneath, probably in words never previously said about a Wookie, but if I do that, there we go. So the problem with this is not so much the batteries. Thank God it isn't just a, hey, it's fixed by putting new batteries in and then it isn't Phuxxed. Thank God it isn't one of those videos, but it is a, okay, we have an issue with the battery compartment video. Now why? Why is there an issue with the battery compartment video? I might have to find something I can pronky down into there, because I'm not going to be able to pull that out, am I? I'm going to think this through again. I might try and find a suitable screwdriver to kind of get behind and lever that. And if I achieve just finding the tool, not actually the levering, but if I achieve finding the tool, I will be back so you can witness me attempting to bend that out to contact the batteries and probably breaking it all to buggery. I found a pronky that I think will fit. I'm not sure that it'll fit. Will it fit? I don't know. Oh, by the way, pronky is a screwdriver that you're using for pronking things. Yeah, it wasn't sold as a pronky or a donkey. Could you screw a donkey? I'm not going to follow that any further to its natural conclusion. Let's see, all I'm thinking, and I do occasionally think, I'm not necessarily very good at it. All I'm thinking is if I could just get this to bow out a little. It's only got to be a little bit. Because, in fact, I'm already seeing contact. Yes. Yes, this is quite an easy one. The R2 was quite an easy one as well. No, the R2 was too easy. R2, you're too easy. 2 drinks and you're anyone's. I can just... Have I made it too tight? Well, there we go. I'll put the flappy thing back in. I'm glad I didn't destroy the base any further. Put the screw in, screw the screw up, or screw the screw in. I've already put the screw in. I don't wish to keep inning the screw. There we are. That is on, and I am now witnessing the full glory. In fact, I'm going to lights off for this one so we can truly witness the splendour, the real splendour of the Chewy nightlight. Oh, I think you're supposed to get this for your child that likes Star Wars and doesn't like the dark to help them sleep. Yeah? That's going to work well, isn't it? There you go, little Johnny. Night-night, sweet dreams. There are no monsters under the bed, because the decapitated head of one is glowing next to your bed. Oh my God, it's horrible.